Hi! Today I'm going to show you how to use Brush Ninja. And you'll start by clicking on the link in the agenda, which takes you to the Brush Ninja website. There's no logins that are required. It's really simple to use. And so I'm going to say I'm making a new one because I already have an account here, or it saves my Brush Ninjas from the last time I was in here. Alright, so you're going to go in and you just have a clean slate. You're going to be making a GIF. And so first of all, decide if you want to have some kind of a background. Depending on what your vocabulary word is, you may want to have a background. So when I made mine of the Manifest Destiny, I'm going to click on the little gear here, and I'm going to click on background image. And then I'm going to search whatever image background I'm looking for. So when I did Manifest Destiny, I searched mountains. And actually, no, I searched Great Plains. And so you search and you find the background that you want. This is the one I wanted. So I then said, yes, use this image. And all right, so here's my template. And then I can draw things on here. So here's my drawing tool. But if I want to do something other than draw, this does shapes, this does lines, this is your eraser text. And then this allows you to do some different things with the animations on your page. So let me go back to drawing because what I had drawn was a horse. And this probably won't look the same as last time, but you just use your trackpad and you draw whatever you want your picture to show. So this is my horse, and these are his legs. So he's walking, so I'm trying to make it look like he's walking. This isn't looking nearly as nice as my first one did. So I put that there, and this leg is coming back like this. Okay, maybe this is an ox instead of a horse. So I'm going to color it in a little bit. And color in. You get the idea. So this is my, I'm going to create an image of a horse or donkey or whatever this is. And it is pulling a wagon. So there's its other leg. Color it in better. Alright. So I also want to draw my wagon. Okay, so draw my wagon like that, and I want to color that in. Wait a second. Anyway, so we color this all in. So you have it how you would like it. Hopefully nicer than what I'm doing, but I'm trying to make this tutorial quick. I'm going to go back and just kind of outline this a little bit better with brown. And so there's my wagon, put some great big giant wheels here, they're wagon wheels, so, okay, so there's that wheel, put a bench here, this is where the people are gonna sit, the wagon, attaches out here to the, gosh, this drawing is really bad, I'm so sorry. Alright. Okay, so there's my image that I want to use. Now, if I come down here, it shows me there's my image. So what I can do is I can duplicate that. Okay, so it gives me the image again. So now I'm on the second one. So if I change this and I go to the wrench, I can now move the image across like this. So if I stop it right here, so I want to make it look like it's a wagon train. So I have to finish off the back of my wagon. So let me do that. This. Color the rest of it in back here. And then I have to finish off my wheel. And then it just looks like there's another wagon, another horse right behind it. And then come back. I can duplicate it again and use the wrench, and I can move the image along like this. Okay, you can duplicate it again. This is my fourth image. And so this time I'm going to pull it through like this. And then I'm going to erase. I'm going to say like, okay, this is the end of my wagon train. So I don't want to see another horse. This is my last wagon. It's coming through. So I get that out of there like that. Go to the wrench, pull it through like this. Go to my eraser, get rid of the rest of this wagon. Okay, so now my wagon has gone through. Let's play it so you can see what it looks like. I'm not sure what's going on up there. I'm going to fix that. Erase that. I'm not sure why that's up there. Okay. Then, now that I have it done, I want to add my vocab word to it. So on this one, go to the first one, and to put some text, I'll click text. I'm going to make it red so it stands out here at the top. I'll write manifest destiny. Apply. Okay, I'll put it there. And I want to put it also here. And I want to stamp it here. And also here. Alright, so I have my words in. So it looks like this. Pretty cool. Alright, so it's finished. I click save. And then I want to download it, or export it. So you come down here and you click the export button, and you want to choose animated GIF, and you're going to click export. And okay, so there it is. So I click that, and then it downloads it, so it'll hold it on your clipboard for you. And then you'll go to the Padlet, and so on the agenda, you'll click Class Padlet. Takes you to the class Padlet, and then of course mine is already there, but the way I did that was I clicked, and to be able to add one, I put the title. My vocab word is Manifest Destiny. That's not one of your Unit 8 vocab words, so you make sure to use one of your Unit 8 vocab words, and then who made it, put yours and your partner's name there, and then you have to upload it. There it is, and there it is. Actually, that's not right. That's not the right one. So I want to upload from my computer, but I have another one. Pick file. Okay, I have to find my new one that I just made. And obviously this won't take you as long as it's taking me to find it, because sometimes I work harder instead of smarter, but I know it's here somewhere, so I will pick it. You won't have a lot of choices to go through because your clipboard will be small, but you find your animation and then you will upload it. Aha, animation 3. And then you upload it. There it is. Ta-da! Alright, and that's how you do it.